Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the ultimate solutions for truck bed protection and style. Get ready to explore the top 10 best hard folding tonneau covers, meticulously curated to elevate your truck's functionality and aesthetics. Let's dive into the world of durable, sleek, and versatile tonneau covers that redefine excellence. Number 1. Introducing BAK's revolutionary tonneau cover, a game changer for hard folding enthusiasts. Embrace seamless style and unbeatable functionality in one sleek package. Effortlessly protect your cargo with this marvel of engineering. BAK has outdone itself, ensuring durability and a perfect fit. Unlock the power of innovation and experience a truly stunning upgrade for your truck. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to excellence with BAK tonneau cover. Get ready to turn heads and conquer the road like never before. A must-have addition for any truck aficionado. Your search for the ultimate hard folding companion ends here. Number 2. YITAMOTOR's hard folding tonneau cover is an absolute game changer. Its sleek design and rugged construction make it a showstopper for any truck enthusiast. This cover not only enhances the truck's aesthetics but also provides top-notch protection for your cargo. The installation was a breeze, and the functionality is unparalleled. Whether it's rain or shine, this cover keeps my belongings secure and dry. I couldn't be happier with my purchase. If you want to elevate your truck's style and utility, YITAMOTOR's tonneau cover is a must-have accessory. Number 3. Gator EFX has truly revolutionized the game with their hard folding tonneau cover. From the moment I laid eyes on it, I was blown away by its sleek design and impressive build quality. The cover effortlessly transforms my truck bed into a secure and stylish cargo space. Installation was a breeze, and its durable construction ensures my valuables stay protected from the elements. Plus, the ease of access to my truck bed is unmatched. If you're after a top-notch tonneau cover for your truck, Gator is the way to go. Your search ends here. Number 4. Lyon Cover's tonneau cover is an absolute game changer for hard folding enthusiasts. Sleek, durable, and effortlessly stylish, this cover elevates your truck's look while providing top-notch protection. With a perfect fit and easy installation, it's a dream come true for truck owners seeking a reliable, weather-resistant solution. Say goodbye to worries about your cargo with this fantastic tonneau cover. Lyon Cover has truly outdone themselves with this masterpiece. Don't miss out on the ultimate blend of functionality and aesthetics for your truck. Number 5. Introducing the Xcover tonneau cover, a stunning blend of style and functionality, tailor-made for hard folding enthusiasts. This game-changing cover boasts impeccable design, ensuring your truck stands out in the crowd. Its seamless installation and robust build offer unmatched security for your cargo, come rain or shine. The Xcover tonneau cover sets a new standard in truck accessories, exuding unmatched elegance and practicality. Upgrade your ride today with this absolute must-have for hard folding aficionados. Elevate your truck's allure with Xcover, unleash the true power of style. Number 6. Introducing Toptiny's remarkable tonneau cover, a sleek and robust companion for hard folding enthusiasts. This game changer ensures an effortlessly stylish upgrade to your truck's bed, seamlessly blending functionality and aesthetics. Crafted with precision, its durable materials and smart design guarantee protection against the elements and prying eyes. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly setup. Say goodbye to worries about cargo safety and hello to the ultimate driving experience. Elevate your truck's allure with Toptiny's tonneau cover and hit the road in style, all while securing your valuables with utmost ease. Trust the brand that delivers on its promise. Number 7. CARMOCAR tonneau cover, unleash the refined power of hard folding. Rocket this game changer elevates truck bed protection to a whole new level. Sleek, stylish, and oh so practical, CARMOCAR redefines the art of tonneau covers. Seamlessly engineered for hard folding setups, it blends flawlessly with your truck's profile. The precision fit design ensures every inch is shielded, keeping your cargo safe from the elements. Whether it's rugged off-road adventures or city cruising, this cover is your ultimate companion. Say goodbye to compromises and embrace the brilliance of CARMOCAR. In conclusion, the search for the best hard-folding tonneau cover has led us to explore various top-notch options. Whether you prioritize security, versatility, or aesthetics, there's a perfect fit for your truck bed. We hope this review has been informative and helpful in making your decision. Thanks for watching, and we wish you happy trucking with your chosen tonneau cover.